The best upright vacuum cleaners offer powerful suction, efficient filtration, and versatile features for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors. Many models include HEPA filters, anti-hair wrap brush rolls, and pet-friendly tools, making them ideal for keeping homes clean with minimal effort. Starting at number 1. Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 Total Clean Upright Vacuum is a premium corded, bagless upright vacuum engineered for powerful whole home cleaning, especially in households with pets. Featuring 290 air watts (AW) of suction powered by Dyson's radial root cyclone technology, it effectively removes dirt, dust, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors without losing suction. Its self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adapts to different floor types to maintain optimal suction, while ball technology provides smooth maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. The vacuum includes 8 Dyson-engineered cleaning tools, such as the tangle-free turbine tool, mattress tool, stair tool, carbon fiber soft dusting brush, and reach-under tool, making it suitable for cleaning upholstery, stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. A sealed HEPA filtration system captures allergens and fine particles, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers and pet owners. With a 0.45-gallon dust bin, 17.4-pound upright design, and 5-year limited warranty, the Dyson Ball Animal 2 Total Clean delivers exceptional deep cleaning performance for larger homes. It has received a 3.9 out of 5-star rating from over 800 customer reviews on Amazon and is consistently recognized as one of Dyson's most powerful upright vacuum cleaners for pet hair removal and multi-surface cleaning. Number 2. Shark Stratos Vacuum. The Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum, AZ3002, is a premium corded, bagless upright vacuum engineered for powerful deep cleaning across carpets, hard floors, upholstery, and pet-friendly homes. Equipped with DualClean PowerFin's Hair Pro technology, it uses a dual brush roll system that deeply cleans carpets while directly engaging hard floors to capture fine dust, debris, and pet hair in a single pass. Its ultra-powerful suction, combined with a self-cleaning brush roll, prevents hair wrap and delivers exceptional pet hair pickup. The vacuum also features powered lift-away technology, allowing users to detach the pod for cleaning under furniture and above floor areas while maintaining motorized brush performance. An integrated odor neutralizer technology cartridge helps reduce unpleasant odors inside the vacuum, while the anti-allergen complete seal with a HEPA filter traps 99.99% of dust and allergens inside the machine. Additional highlights include LED headlights, an easy empty 1.48-quart dust cup, and bonus accessories such as a Hair Pro self-cleaning pet power brush, upholstery tool, and crevice tool. Measuring 12.2 by 11.02 by 46.46 inches and weighing approximately 16.7 pounds, the Shark Stratos is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. It has earned a 4.2 out of 5-star rating from more than 2,400 customer reviews on Amazon and is widely recognized for its outstanding suction, versatility, and pet hair performance, making it one of the best upright vacuums for whole home cleaning. Number 3. Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus Clean. The Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum, IP3253, is a premium cordless vacuum designed for powerful, hassle-free cleaning on carpets and hard floors. It features advanced DualClean Detect technology, HEPA filtration, and an auto-empty charging dock that stores dust and debris for up to 45 days. With up to 70 minutes of runtime, strong suction, LED headlights, and specialized pet tools, it effectively removes dirt, dust, and pet hair while minimizing maintenance. Its lightweight, portable design, and 5-year limited warranty make it an excellent choice for convenient whole home cleaning. Number 4. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Dual Brush Vacuum. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Dual Brush Upright Vacuum, 42946, is a powerful upright vacuum designed specifically for homes with pets. It features dual brush technology with 2 brush rolls that work together to remove pet hair, large debris, and fine dust from both carpets and hard floors. The HEPA-sealed allergen system traps 99.97% of dust and dander allergens, helping improve indoor air quality, while the lift-off pod allows for convenient cleaning of stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with bright fur finder headlights to reveal hidden pet hair and powerful suction for deep cleaning, this vacuum offers an effective and versatile solution for whole-home pet hair removal. Number 5. Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum, Model 3836, is a versatile upright vacuum designed for effective everyday cleaning on carpets and hard floors. It features multi-cyclonic suction, a triple-action brush roll that loosens, lifts, and removes embedded dirt and pet hair, and swivel steering for easy maneuverability around furniture and corners. The active extension wand provides extended reach for cleaning stairs and hard-to-access areas, while scatter-free technology minimizes debris scatter on hard floors. Its easy empty dirt tank, washable filter, and lightweight design make maintenance simple, making it an excellent choice for pet owners and whole-home cleaning.